In this video, we are going to dive deeper into advanced prompt techniques for Google Gemini and compare these prompts with ChatGPT. We'll explore how to craft more complex prompts and see how the responses for Google Gemini and GPT stack up against each other. Let's get started. First, if you want to have a new chat, you can click on this plus button. Let's explore some advanced prompt techniques in Google Gemini. Follow along with the live demo to see these techniques in action. Start by entering a more detailed prompt. For example, this time let's ask, generate a detailed project plan for a marketing campaign targeting millennials with a budget of $10,000. Let's press enter. So you see the response is generated within seconds. So it says, project plan, millennial marketing campaign, project overview. Objective, to create a comprehensive marketing campaign targeting millennials with a budget of $10,000. Target audience is millennials between the age 25 to 34. Budget is $10,000. And campaign strategy is to identify core message, understand millennial mindset, choose relevant channels, create engaging content, and so on. It talks about project timeline, which is week 1 to 2 is planning and research. Then week 3 to 4 contains content creation. And then campaign launch and campaign optimization. So the budget allocation is $3,000 for content creation, $4,000 for social media, $2,000 for influencers, and $1,000 for contingency, which covers unexpected costs. It talks about key performance indicators, followed by measurement and analysis, and then potential marketing channels. The example campaign ideas are create a fun and engaging challenge that encourages user-generated content, provide exclusive discounts or promotions. So you see that Gemini has done a very good job for generating the response. Let's try another prompt. Try a prompt with conditional statements like, let's type, if the user is interested in travel, provide suggestions for budget-friendly destinations. Let's press enter. And now it says budget-friendly destinations for millennials. So you see it has utilized its memory that says millennials. It says looking to explore the world without breaking the bank. Here are some fantastic budget-friendly destinations. First is Thailand, followed by Vietnam. It has also provided images that shows the world map. Then Indonesia, Philippines, Portugal, Hungary, Croatia, Poland, and so on. So it says, would you like to focus on a specific type of trip, such as beach vacations, city exploration, or adventure travel? So now let's create a project plan, discuss how the responses can organize tasks, set deadlines, and budgets. For this, we are going to type a prompt that says discuss how the response can help in organizing tasks, setting deadlines, and budgeting. So it says the provided response outlining a potential marketing campaign targeting millennials offers a structured framework. Task organizations are breakdown of phases, task identification, prioritization, followed by timeline creation, task dependencies, and milestone identification, and so on. If you're interested, you can read this article. Moving on, let's talk about personalized recommendations. For this, we can give a prompt that says, demonstrate how conditional prompts can tailor responses based on user interest. So you see it takes a few seconds to generate a very long answer. Now it says the conditional prompts involve adjusting the prompt based on specific user inputs or preferences to generate more relevant and personalized outputs. If you want, there's an option for voice. Let's try this. Now Gemini will voice over the entire answer. You can try that for yourself. If you want to export this answer to your Google Docs, you can utilize the options that we studied in the last video. Click on this share and then choose the second option that says export to documents, and it will paste your answer in Google Docs. Let's click on Open Docs to see, and here you have it. So you see it saves a lot of time and efforts. Now let's compare the responses from Google Gemini with those from ChatGPT. We'll look at how the quality and style of the responses differ between the two AIs. Let's copy our first prompt that says generate a detailed project plan for marketing campaign targeting millennials with a budget of $10,000. Let's copy this and paste on ChatGPT to see the answer. So ChatGPT says project plan, marketing campaign targeting millennials. So it has started with an overview. It says this project plan outlines the strategy and implementation steps for a marketing campaign targeting millennials with a budget of $10,000. The campaign will leverage digital platforms, influencer, partnerships, and content marketing to maximize reach and engagement. Then it talks about campaign objectives, target audience, budget allocation, followed by timeline, key performances, tools and platforms, and so on. So now let's compare both the responses from these two AIs in terms of detail, accuracy, and relevance. So ChatGPT has produced a very detailed answer, while Gemini has also produced a detailed answer. Both the AIs have produced the same headings, starting with an overview and then project timeline, budget allocation, and so on. Both has high accuracy and relevance. You see, Google Gemini's responses are more aligned with specific data and user context, while GPT's responses offer more general insights. Now let's talk about strengths of Google Gemini. Google Gemini is often more contextually accurate, especially when integrated with Google's data and tools. It is better at handling detailed prompts related to Google services. If we talk about the limitations of Google Gemini, it may be less versatile in non-Google contexts compared to ChatGPT. If we talk about the strengths of ChatGPT, ChatGPT is highly versatile and adaptable to a wide range of topics and applications. It excels in generating creative and varied text outputs. But the limitations of ChatGPT are that it may lack contextual specificity in certain use cases. Responses might be less precise in specialized domains compared to Google Gemini. To wrap up, understanding how to craft complex prompts and comparing responses from Google Gemini and GPT can significantly enhance your use of these AI tools. So experiment with different prompts to see which AI best meets your need. In our next video, we'll explore Google Gemini's image generation and upload features.